Hello my people, this is BM Africa, typical village boy. Again, I'm inside my workshop like I told you guys. So this how everything look like. Yesterday we didn't plant the flower like you see. So this how everything look like. Wow, just see. So we have already fabricated this is the stand for the flowers. So to put the display of the flowers there, like you see, this frame here. Yesterday it was not here and we forgot to record it when you are building, when you are making it, because I didn't have my phone right that time. So this everything will be, you see, I'm inside the workshop. We also have the student here, like I told you, this is my new student. Say hello to the people. Yeah, it's my new student here. Like I told you, we are trying to make this place a bigger arc welding school, right? So you are not doing the business. We're just training other people to get more skills, like I get from the tourists when they are coming to my village. Wow, see. Yeah, it's super nice, guys. You know. So this everything look like this hold machine. We don't have you are using a normal one. This, yeah, rewind it by myself. This one here is a local one, local, not just like the other one there. It's just local. Just see. Yeah, yep. We have the grinding machine there. We have some pot here, like see this one. See inside. So this everything look like. Wow, just see, man. Okay, this is a flower now. This is a flower. They're just trying to make these things nice. Yeah, this how everything look. So you're trying to our best. I'm trying to teach the youth outside there to get some skills, but the reason that the space is too small, but we hope for the best. We are going to expand it when we get money. We expand it and everything will be okay. Wow. So you are just here. I'm showing you guys a little about our workshop, how the progress step by step. These are everything. These are new progress. See, we have already built this one. So we have to put this one, this pot like this for the display, but the other side, we have to put the other side. So this everything will be okay, man. Yummy. This how everything will be. See, so you are trying to look for the flowers to put it on that side. Then this inside the workshop, and then goes. We are here with a new student. He's trying. I think he's going to in the next 2 weeks. I'm going to show you the progress of this arc welder. I'll show you in action when it's welding. More things I'll show you guys. You know, yeah. Wow.